Install Paychex Flex app in your iPhone. First of all you have to do is simply open the Safari web browser in your mobile device. Then in Safari web browser, in the search address bar, all you have to do is type down the Paychex Flex app or Paychex Flex. Then you will be navigated to its official website. Make sure you are in its official website. Then once you are there, you will get to see the download option available in there. Scroll down, you can see download in App Store and download in Google Play. Tap on the download in App Store, and if it says app not available due to recent restrictions, or if it is not available in App Store, then all you have to do is tap on the login page. Once in login page, tap on the share icon at the bottom, then scroll down and tap on the add to home screen. Then simply save it to your home screen and the app will be saved. Now once you tap on it, you can easily log in using your Paychex Flex account, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.